So, good morning, children.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
You are fine. Okay. I am Father Joseph Kimo. I come from Malawi, Central Africa, a small country with about 15 million people, but there are a lot of children. About 1 million children orphans because the parents died of HIV/AIDS. So we have 2 nursery schools. You know what a nursery school is?
No.
Nursery. Yes.
Yes.
Materna. Scuola materna. Yes, we have 2 nursery schools with 1,800 children from 3 years to 6 years. So I am here to thank you very much because of the work you did during the bazaar. Last year, they gave me some money which we used to buy food for these poor children. At least we can assure the poor children with 1 or 2 meals a day. So with the money which you donated during the bazaar, we use for buying the food. Now we have a project. We would like to help many girls from 7 years to 16 years. Why? Because many girls, when they reach 14 or 15 years, they drop out from school and get married. They don't continue, you understand?
Yes.
So we would like to build a boarding school for girls so that we can help the girls to continue school and finish school and get married later when they are mature, not when they are still girls. Yeah, very good. So we hope that with your help, with the help of your parents, your friends, we can realize this project. This year, in summer, we had 6 students from this school in our place, in our center. They did a lot of good things. They helped the children, they went to visit sick and old people, they taught our children art, they taught our children music. So I hope that in future, when you also finish in this school, you may come to Malawi to do some voluntary work. The beauty of voluntary work is you help somebody, but you also grow, you mature in human qualities. So I am very, very sure that this kind of bridge which is being built between the children of the German school and the children in Malawi will produce a lot of good fruits for this